Nanghihina ba ang iyong kalooban kapag kailangan mong lumaban? Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkapet padasal. What if the fear and doubt you feel aren't obstacles, but opportunities to show your strength? The story of Archangel Michael is a powerful reminder of this truth. He is the great defender against evil and doubt. Thus, he represents the courage to stand up for what's right, even when you're scared. Think about the last time you felt peer pressure. Maybe you were tempted to go along with a bad decision, or you were afraid to speak up for a friend. His example inspires you to be a defender of your own values and to find the courage to say no. Similarly, in a world that can feel uncertain, his clear purpose as a leader of the heavenly army can inspire you to find your own. His story is a call to action. Instead of letting fear paralyze you, let it clarify what you truly believe in. Seek your own purpose and fight for your own passions with unwavering courage. Manalangin po tayo. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng lakas ng loob na harapin ang aking mga takot upang ako'y manindigan para sa tama at ipaglaban ang aking layunin sa buhay. Amen.